Today, Isuzu Motors Saudi Arabia proves its prominent role in the KSA commercial vehicle market in terms of manufacturing quality, service, and customization requirements. We aim to support logistics and mobility to connect people, industries, businesses, and life. Aligning with the 2030 KSA vision, Isuzu Motors Saudi Arabia will maintain its values and guarantee to serve the KSA market with its transportation and logistics needs.
Today, Isuzu Motors Saudi Arabia has a #1 market share of transportation, commercial vehicles, and diesel engines, supporting customers and varying the environment in the KSA. We have a highly qualified manufacturing team that delivers high-quality products and services that exceed the market's expectation, and head-to-head with the quality standard of Japan's Isuzu truck manufacturing.
Designing trucks successfully is not as easy as it may seem. Today, IMSAC manufactures Isuzu N and F series trucks that are known for their durability, reliability, fuel efficiency, loading capacity, stability, and maintainability. Isuzu trucks came to that position following a well-organized manufacturing process, starting from receiving most of the parts from Japan to the IMSAC factory, where some of the parts and lubricants are procured locally from KSA.
Then truck parts go through a well-defined logistics operation within Isuzu Motors Saudi Arabia warehouses. We separate them in order of each truck series and based on each truck's specifications. For delivering parts to the production stage, Isuzu Motors Saudi Arabia operates a kit delivery system, the same parts preparation method that is used in Japan. Then the truck parts are unboxed and kitting is done by our logistics team. Each stage is then supplied with the exact quantities of required parts as per assembly manuals and stationing list. This allows the production team to concentrate on assembly, prevent parts picking mistakes, and ensure operational efficiency.
Then, we move to the most important stage of manufacturing. Our production line is designed based on the IMM concept of ISUZU Motors. IMM stands for Isuzu Manufacturing Management. Implementation of IMM helps us ensure the highest quality assurance for our trucks, matching global Isuzu products. Let me introduce a sample of IMM. Inspection stages are set up between the production stages to check the tightening torque of essential parts and inspect parts that could not be seen or have less than accessibility in the next stages. To meet our customers' various needs, IMSAC offers a wide range of engine lineups, wheelbases, and truck models. With production lines based on the IMM concept and Kaizen principles, we have established a production system that maximizes resource utilization and efficiency improvement methods.
Our role does not end after manufacturing the process, as the Isuzu's top priorities are safety and creating a comfortable environment for drivers. So we perform a durability test by checking and testing each element and component, such as axles, chassis, and transmission. We ensure that they meet Isuzu quality standards and market regulation.
Also, Isuzu safety measurements cover more than the truck components. Accordingly, IMSAC inspection team tests the truck's ABS brake system and exhaust brake system, which play a prominent role in the slowing down the truck. In addition, we carry out the final pre-delivery inspection, which we call all inspection. At this stage, we check the quality of more than 30 points per vehicle for all vehicles.
Regarding Isuzu Middle East, we consider IMSAC the perfect manufacturing partner in the region for the past 10 years. We believe that our partnership is improving and will be stronger in the future, as the teamwork between us is bringing Isuzu products and the new technologies we develop to the next level to match our vision and the KSA 2030 vision. With Isuzu, people, business, and life are connected safely.